I started Decorative Metal Solutions, it was really just a way for me to be my own boss and fabricate things that I wanted to fabricate. The reason people would approach me on building things for them is because I specialize in stainless steel and aluminum. So TIG welding is a huge part of what I do. Welding on stainless is difficult because the material moves a lot more than steel. It's definitely in demand for architectural use. A lot of architects will come to me to build something for a building that no one else will build, and being my own boss allows me to cater to those people and really sit down with them and develop a product that we want to build that will be beneficial for everybody.
Right out of high school, when I was done with construction and done with dealing with all of that, I started the business in my parents' backyard in a 3-car garage. Basically, I moved all their stuff out and bought welders and bought equipment, and that's where it started. Now I have my own shop, and it's very rewarding. Couldn't ask to be in a better spot. Part of my fabrication business is mobile welding. I set up a mobile truck to basically do any type of welding job that needs to be done. Welding stainless, aluminum, bending tubing on the road, fixing T-tops, railings. It's really where I love to get out and fix things for people. They really appreciate it, and it's always nice to see something that's wrecked and bring it back to how it was originally. I love waking up in the morning and going to my own fabrication shop. It's the best feeling in the world.